Good morning, myself Surya Kasim, and today I am going to start a very important chapter of mathematics. You can see the application of this chapter in day-to-day life, in every instance, every situation, and in every condition of your life. So, the name of the chapter is Linear Equation in One Variable. Linear equation in one variable. To understand this chapter, I will consider one situation. So, suppose that you go to a stationery shop to purchase 4 pencils and you give 50 rupees to the shopkeeper. So, and you tell him that you want 5 rupees pencil. So, shopkeeper gives you 4 pencil along with 30 rupees and you give him 50 rupees. So, 4 pencils plus 30 rupees and along with you give him 50 rupees. So, this is also the base of this chapter, linear equation in one variable. Now, let us understand about algebraic expression. What are algebraic expression? Algebraic expression. So, algebraic expression is nothing but a relation between alphabets and numbers. Relation between alphabets and numbers are algebraic expression. Now let us consider some examples of algebraic expression. Let's see. Example 2x 5x plus 1 4x square plus x 4x square plus 1. So these are the examples of algebraic expression. Here x is variable. Suppose that I will take 2x. So here x is variable and 2 is number. In this equation, x is variable and 2 is number, or you can say constant. Now come to second one. Here x is variable again and 5 is number. So these are the examples of algebraic expression. Now it is a relation between a variable and a constant. You can say it is a relation between a variable and constant by using some mathematical operation. You can use some mathematical operations here now, like you can use plus, or you can also consider some equation of minus 5x minus 8. This is also the example of algebraic expression. So this is about algebraic expression. Now let us replace algebraic expression with equations. We can replace it with equation. So let's see. What are equations? आपकी equations क्या होती हैं? When you use equal sign along with algebraic expression, then it became an equation. So let us consider some example of it. Example. Now first write definition. Algebraic equation with equal sign became an equation. Example. 5x is equals to 0. 5x is equals to 0. X plus 1 is equals to 0. This is also the example of equation because here equals come. 2x plus 5 upon x plus 1 is equals to 2. Here again I will tell you about variable and constant. Here x is your variable and 5 is constant. Now see next one, x is variable and 1 is constant, and in this x is variable and these are your constant. So I hope the topic equation is clear. Now let us switch our topic from equation to linear equation in one variable. That is what the name of our chapter, and it is our topic also, linear equation in one variable. So let's see. Linear equation in one variable means here it comes only one variable, not more than one variable. Like I will give you example. Example, x plus 1 is equals to 5. X plus 1 upon 2y is equals to 5. Second one is x square plus 8 is equals to 1. Y square plus 1 upon 5 is equals to 10. So now how will you came to understand about linear equation? So where there is only one variable, that equation is the equation of your linear equation. It means x is your variable and these are your constants. So here there is one variable and the power of variable is also 1. It is also important that in linear equation that the power of variable is also 1. Now come to second one, x square. Here x is variable and the power of x is 2. 2 is power and x is variable. So this is not the example of linear equation in one variable. Again here x is variable, this is constant and this is second variable. So in this equation there are two variables. So this is also not the example of linear equation in one variable, because in linear equation there is only one variable present, like this, x plus 1 is equals to 5. This is the correct example of linear equation in one variable, and in this you have to prove that equality between LHS and RHS. Okay, you have to prove the equality between LHS and RHS. Now I will give you one example of this chapter. And also give the solution of that example. So let's see. So our question is, verify that we have to verify that 2 is the root of this equation. So what we have to do, we have to substitute the value of variable in this equation. We have to substitute the value of x here. So solution. Substitute x is equal to 2 in equation 5x minus 12 is equal to 2. Now what we have to do, we have to put 2 in place of x. We have to put 2 in place of x. So 5, 2 minus 12 is equal to 2. 5 2s are 10s. Minus 12 is equal to 2. So this is minus 2 is equal to 2. So this is minus 2 and this is 2. So minus 2 and 2. LHS not equals to RHS. So this is not the solution of this. X is equals to 2 is not the solution of this equation. LHS is not equals to RHS. If here it comes minus 2, then this is the solution of this equation. So LHS is equals to RHS and this is the solution of this equation. 5x minus 12 is equals to 2. This is one of the example of this chapter. Now let us consider second one. So our next question is solve 5x minus 6 is equals to 4x minus 2. So what we have to do in this question? First we have to find out the solution of this equation. So firstly let's start to find out the solution of this equation. So 5x minus 6x is equals to 4x minus 2. What we have to do? We put 4x here, so 5x, that 4x comes here, minus 4x is equals to minus 2 and that 6 comes here, plus 6. Here 4 is plus and then it comes on next side, then it became minus. Here 6 is of minus, then we come here, then the sign became of plus. So 5 minus 4 x is equals to 4. So solution of this equation is x is equals to 4. Now what we have to do? We have to check that x is equals to 4 is the solution of this equation or not. So for this we put x is equals to 2 in the above equation. So putting x is equals to 4 in equation 5x minus 6 is equals to 4x minus 2. So 5, 4 minus 6 is equals to 4, 4 minus 2. 5 4s are 20 minus 6, 4 4 is 16 minus 2. Here 20 minus 6, 14 and 16 minus 2, 14. So LHS is equal to RHS. So what it proves? It proves that x is equals to 4 is the solution of this equation. When LHS equals to RHS, then it means that x is equals to 4 is the solution of the above equation. So this is all about today. Now in our next class I will describe you more examples of this chapter. Thank you.